What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on bread, which I actually have never covered before. So this is the first time, but I just wanted to, I know that there's a significant community around bread. So just wanted to talk about it and the potential, because if you look at meme coins right now and you look at the performance in the last month, I'm pretty sure bread is either the best performer or one of the best performers. I mean, if you consider the ROI right now, right? I mean, there have been other meme coins that have done very well, but that have absolutely crashed afterwards. And bread is still holding on relatively well. And what I think is interesting is that obviously all these bigger meme coins are looking for the Binance listing. And what I think is interesting right now is that bread, what used to be the case is that the volume was always very, very low. So when people ask me, is that, all right, well, is a Binance listing possible for bread? I always said no. Because, excuse me, but what you need for a Binance listing is volume or a ton of money, all right? Which meme coins usually need volume. And if you look at the volume for bread, usually it was very low. And then in June, we got 140 one time, we got 200 one time, and then right now we're sitting pretty comfortably at around $80 million. And I think that's getting more interesting for Binance. Now, ultimately, I think you need more. I think you need more, I think you need a constant into the 200s to secure that Binance listing, or at least to have a very high chance. But to have 80 million for a month, like personally, I would say that's quite decent for an exchange to consider listings. Therefore, also for Binance. But alright, that's purely speculation. I think it's possible if the volume continues to be that way. But first of all, if you look at the technicals, bread is looking good as well. We had a lot of momentum into this top right here. Right, so here you can see that we kind of blew out, because since then we have, and I also think that's still the case right now, we've been consolidating. The EMAs are relatively flat. Now, if you zoom out, obviously we are still trending up. But on the lower time frames, and I do think that's valuable, on the lower time frames, I think we are getting more into some sort of a consolidation, where the main support level is this level right here at around 12.5 cents, I would say, also a psychological level. And then the main resistance level, I actually think it's a bit lower, all right? So I think a key level to break is 16.5 cents. And if we're able to break above that, then breaking above the all-time high here at 18 and 19 is comparatively easy, I would say. So now the big question is then, all right, well, can we actually gain momentum enough to get that bullish breakout? And that's a difficult question, all right? If you take a look at bread right here, what you can see is that I would say there's significant momentum that we gained with the moves yesterday. There's also a bit of an imbalance here. You can see that since the all-time high, we've made lower highs, of course. But then if you look at the momentum, that is relatively at the same area. So that's interesting, all right? Because usually the momentum and the price kind of go hand in hand. So if there's more momentum than the price, then that means that there will be some sort of an imbalance, or there will be some sort of a correction, either in open interest dropping down more than the price, or the price going up more than the open interest from this point of time to recover that imbalance. But that's just an idea. For now, what I think we need is more momentum, all right? And more momentum usually comes with a relatively more bullish market. So that's the main thing I'm waiting for. Our main support level right now is 14.5 cents. If we can see an open interest increase from there, so if the open interest starts making higher highs while the price is still making lower highs, then that's an imbalance that's very interesting, all right? Then we can rally. For now, I still think that the momentum is good, and this could turn into something, but I still think it's more likely, now that the divergence is just very slightly there, I think it's more likely we'll just stay in this consolidation for now. So that's what I expect. Keep your eyes on that open interest. I'll try to keep you updated as well. But for now, for today, I think that's what you need to know. All right, so thank you for watching. Take care. Just in general, be careful. It's a Monday. Markets are very volatile. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.